Hello everyone. So we got there. The end of term is here. Thank you for sticking with probably the most difficult period of your school life. To all our outgoing Year 11s and 13s, I hope that you get what you're hoping for in August in terms of your results, and I look forward to seeing you get the places in the sixth forms and the colleges and in university or in employment, all of the things that you're going for. I haven't known you all very long, having only been here since September, but I really do look forward to seeing you and sharing your outcomes and your results with you when you get them at the end of this summer. If you're going on holiday with friends, then please look after yourself, stay safe. The same if you're going travelling at the end of this year, then please look after yourselves and just take care if you're away. To all of you coming back in September, including those staying on with us, then we're really excited to have you back. You may not believe it, but I've got a school full of staff who want these corridors and classrooms filled with the sounds of young people together and enjoying being at school. You know, we can't wait to get that back. A big thanks goes out to all the sons and daughters of key workers, some of whom have been here since March every day. Thank you for sticking with it and working so hard, and thank you to all of you who have continued to work at home and complete your remote learning. It's been a huge task, and I appreciate everything that you've done to get that work done and handed back. Also, a massive thank you to our Year 10s and our 12s who have been attending lessons since the 15th of June. You've been absolutely awesome, so focused and disciplined with your work. The feedback from the teachers has been it's just been great to have you back and in lessons. It's really lovely to see you maturing into the Year 11s and 13s who are going to be taking your exams next year. And again, we can't wait to start that journey with you when we get back. I know the heads of year have enjoyed meeting up with certain Year 7s, 8s and 9s to have those sort of pre-return to school meetings and talk to you and your parents and carers about getting back into school and getting started again. So they've been really enjoyable for the heads of year. In terms of September, I'm still not in a position yet to share plans with you or your parents about what we'll be doing, but I will be writing a detailed letter to you in about 2 weeks' time to let you know about what's happening at the start of term. While September won't be school as we know it, and that's been very evident about what's been shared on the news, it's my ambition to get you back doing the full range of courses and access to your teachers in full, so that you can begin that learning journey and make that progress again that you were doing before we closed down. There's still a lot of paperwork that I need to finish as the head teacher to get that ready, but once it's completed and finalised, I'll get all of that information out to you, and again, it'll be in about 2 weeks' time. So for now, I want to wish you a great summer break. In any year at this particular point in July, I will say to my students, have a safe and very, very peaceful holiday. And that's no different this year. But this year, of course, I'm going to send you with the message to be extra vigilant and to look after yourself and take care with whatever you're doing over the holiday. Have a great summer, everybody. See you on the 8th of September, 8th or 9th of September. Can't wait to have you back. Thank you. Bye-bye.